This is an exciting time to be employed in the pharmaceutical industry. Through the Workforce of the Future initiative, the ISPE Foundation is working to ensure that recent graduates entering the industry have access to cutting-edge technical knowledge.
So the foundation is all about working in partnership with the corporate sector, with the pharmaceutical industry.
In providing opportunities for students to spend some time at these corporate sites and be able to learn firsthand and really get an exposure for working in this industry. How we can be engaged, how we can make a difference in someone's life by bringing these products to the market.
Sort of benefit from the workforce of the future, I do believe that diversity as a core value is going to get increasingly important, and is something that we should all collectively embrace.
I'm really excited to learn a new set of skills and develop myself as an engineer and really get to know this industry that I don't know a whole lot about.
Internship at Nephron is an invaluable opportunity for me to gain insight into in-demand pharmaceutical techniques and the broader drug development.
I'd like to thank the ISPE Foundation and Nephron for giving me this wonderful experience.
I want to thank the ISPE Foundation Internship Diverse Program for providing such a wonderful opportunity for both myself and so many others.